when you come to small pieces like this, I had a piece a little bit longer than the wall. Then I put it up here. And then I pushed this down tight and reached on the back side and marked the base on both sides. Then I lifted it back and I could see where the marks were. Then I could check those with my square and see if they were square to see if I had to adjust the saw. And I had a pencil mark up there and down there. I ran that along here and saw that it's not square. So that tells me this is not coming up perfectly straight. It was off a little bit. See how far off it was? From nothing to about 1/8 of an inch at the top. And then I did the other side from nothing to almost 1/8 at the bottom on that one. Okay? So I set the saw accordingly. And I did some trial and error, and I moved that over to about 2 degrees, and I cut a rough cut, matched it up, and then lined it right up on the line and cut it off. Okay? That's going to do that front one. Now I've got to do this side one. And I cut the angle. I just got a rough cut piece here first. And I've got that at a perfectly square 45-degree corner. I pushed that up there, and I could see that I'm hitting at the bottom, and at the top I've got a slight gap, which tells me when I get ready to put the next piece in, I'm going to have a little bit of a gap. So I want to fix that. Okay? I'm going to set my saw so that I leave the top and cut the bottom off. That's my first step. I got to get this fitting nice and tight. Then I can mark the back side of this over here. I can't do that yet until I finish that. Because I have that nice electric miter saw, I can do it.